Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Shah, and we're at the last day of our trip in Tulum. As you guys know, we just dropped our NFT collection, the second collection under the Wolfverse. You guys should check out the Wolfettes. Today, we're going to be talking about the crypto market, what's going on, where we're at, what the sentiment is, what we should be looking at from crypto to NFTs, what is really going on. If you guys haven't followed me on Twitter, definitely give me a follow on Twitter. I'm Ari Shah or at the handle Arianshahbazi. If you want to get time sensitive information to my picks or what I'm looking at, because I can't always update these videos. There's only so much content you can put out. Even if I put out 3 videos a day, that won't be everything that's going on my mind. So if you guys want to gain information, definitely follow my Twitter. As well as we just had our Wolfettes drop. So if you guys haven't claimed your free Wolfette here, if you're a Wolf holder, a Wall Street Wolf holder, definitely go and mint your free Wolfette, and the public sale is live. So if you haven't picked up your Wolfverse Wolfette, definitely go pick it up. Guys, something I want to talk about is Jordan Belfort, Wolf of Wall Street. His lawyer has given us a cease and desist letter. As you guys can see, our website is wallstreetwolves.io. However, you can also see we have the Wolfverse. So one, thank you for everyone who's a part of the community. Us getting a cease and desist letter just means we're doing a good job. People think our community is very valuable. And I just want to say to everyone a part of the Wolf Pack, thank you for being here. We're going to be providing continuous value. The second phase of this collection and drop is the Wolfettes, which was the Wall Street Wolfettes, but it will be the Wolfverse Wolfettes. As we go into the metaverse, you guys will see our community grow. We will have plans such as land in the Decentraland and Sandbox, and we're going to interact with other blue chip NFTs in the space. So guys, if you have a Wall Street Wolf, congratulations. If you have a Wall Street Wolfette, congratulations. We will be rebranding to the Wolfverse. As you can see, this is our Wolfverse, and we will have token gates with our Wolfverse. We'll have the pharmacy, and this will have to do with partnerships such as cannabis partnerships we've established in DC and Las Vegas, and we'll show you how to redeem your benefits and perks from this token gate. You must be a holder to access this token gate, as well as we'll have the investor center and the Wolf Tank and the penthouse. So the penthouse, this is where everyone went and claimed their Wolfette, as well as it will be access to our exclusive merch as well. So if you hold a token, a Wall Street Wolf, you'll be able to access the penthouse. You'll be able to access Wolfie's Closet. And if you want to be a part of our women's led initiative by Celia and Rebecca and Manas, you guys can go ahead and pick up a Wolfette. We will be having a master class from everything from crypto all the way to NFTs. So if you have any questions, come prepared. This will be a live seminar for holders only. So if that's something you guys like, smash that like button. Let me know in the comments below. What do you want to learn about? But what's going on with the crypto market, guys, right now? Right now, you can see Bitcoin at 42.7, Ethereum at 3,000. We had a little bump. We were around that 2,500 about a week ago, and now we're at the 3,000 range. It really looks like crypto is consolidating. It's February 17th here in Tulum. So when we look at these tokens, we can see on the 7-day, we have Theta Network, Juno, Celsius, nothing too crazy. We're big believers in Elron. We talked about Elron when it was sub $100 to this community. So congratulations to everyone who is a part of Elron. I mean, this went as high as $500 this year, guys. So what have we learned? One, you either dollar cost average and continue to stack your bag, or two, you buy low and you sell high. So when people are scared, you buy, and when people are greedy, you sell. That's the key to being up, you know. The problem is we all want to be millionaires overnight. We don't want to take our gains, you know. It's called compound money for a reason. So like when someone has $100,000 and they get a 10% gain, that's a $10,000 profit. If we were taking 10% gains in crypto, we'd be at a lot of money already. So let's just say hypothetically you have $100,000 and something goes up 10%. Are you dumbass for taking that money out? No, you're not. However, when you see crazy numbers, even something such as 18.7% going up, that's a lot. That's almost $19,000 if you're putting $100,000 in. So we have to talk about compound money. And if you're starting with a little bit, how to understand the ratio to how much you're working with, right? You can't just expect to be a millionaire overnight if you're starting with $1,000. You can try to go from 1,000 to 5, and then from 5 to 10, and from 10 to 20, and from 20 to 50, to 50 to 100. You know, these are the steps you have to take. Yes, there are people who become very rich overnight, but some are lucky and some do their due diligence. So you can see the markets have been bouncing around. We said this a while ago. We haven't made an update because we've been working on this project 24/7. The team is in Tulum. We've been bonding in Tulum. But if I had to talk about cryptos that I'm bullish on, it's all first layer protocols. So all the Ethereum derivatives, whether that be Solana, BNB, Cardano, Algorand, Elron, Harmony, Phantom. I'm very bullish on Phantom. Harmony, these smaller caps have a lot of potential as well. You know, we've talked about MTV on this channel before, and I understand we have digressed from crypto to NFTs, and that's because I believe crypto, like Bitcoin in 2017, is what NFTs is in 2020 and 2021. So really 2021 is what has caused mainstream in the NFT space. And the reason for this is because people can attach something to the crypto and they can utilize it. People understand art much better than they understand a token. Like I can trade a token at any time, but someone can give me an actual offer if I own an NFT. And that's the real difference here, ladies and gentlemen, that where we are with NFTs and its utilization and the fun factor, that's really what people want to invest in. You have to understand human sentiment. Ethereum gas fees are high. You know, we still have above a $2 trillion market cap. So that's nothing to really scoff at. There's a lot of money in here, a lot of whale money in here, and soon there will be a pickup. We see Bitcoin market cap dominance at around 40%, you know, nothing unhealthy, you know, but people don't like bouncing from 32 to 40. I know we all thought we were going to hit 100K this last end of the year, but you know, that's a psychological thing. We should always account for a 30% margin, right? You know, you should always account for what you think you're not going to hit. I think the biggest mistake you can make is just living on hopium. Like, of course you should have hopium, but if we've been following the markets at this point, because it's not 2017 anymore, it's not just 2020 anymore. Like, sure, diamond hands proved very true from 2017 to 2021, and it will continue to play true. However, the increase in the market cap that we had seen from like a Elron at $100 all the way to $500, this is where people should be taking gains. A 2x, a 3x, a 4x, a 5x. People are looking for that 100x, and yes, you can do it. It's not impossible, but don't put your entire bag to trying to go to the moon. Diversify, buy into sectors, invest in first layer protocols, and then buy some NFTs and look at the things that attribute to a good NFT. You know, if you guys haven't followed me on Twitter, go ahead and give me a follow. Our mint is live of the Wall Street Wolfettes and Wall Street Wolves, soon becoming the Wolfverse. So definitely check it out. Our website is live. There's 10,000 Genesis Wolves, and I'm referring to the Wolfverse, the Wall Street Wolves. And there will be 3,333 total Wolfettes. And we will be having a breeding utility and staking mechanism. And we look forward to introducing the pups. So guys, thank you for sharing your time with me. It's a beautiful morning in Mexico, Tulum. If you guys are in Tulum and you're in the Wolf Pack, give us a shout out. Come join us at our villa. And yeah, this is just another successful launch. Thank you to everyone who's been a part of the community. We will be having a masterclass in the upcoming week. We've done so many things from meditation to hosting alpha rooms. We're gonna have 3+ token gates, and we're gonna have partnerships all over the world. So let us know where you're from in the world in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time on the next episode.